Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can record your voice on BandLab, like a voice of you singing. Select create, select new project, select voice and audio, and select the correct mic input. You can also monitor yourself here. You can also add an effect, so I'm just going to hit the record button. La 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 la. I'm not gonna sing. I do sing, but I'm not bothered to sing right now. But go to effects and select an effect that you think sounds good with your voice. So this is what it sounds like on the sky sound. La 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 la. I'm not gonna sing. Okay, that sounds awful, but you can also play around with these. I don't really touch these a lot, but you could. Not a pro at that. You can also adjust the volume here. La 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 la. I'm not gonna sing. But that is pretty much it. They have a lot of options you can choose from. La 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 la. I'm not gonna sing. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.